All right, Bulls, how we doing? Didn't want to make a recording from a busy coffee shop, but unfortunately, uh, the time can't wait. All right, we got to do this. So I'm initiating for all my Bulls. We are going to do a sellout tomorrow. It is a contingent sellout. We will be selling out of all the positions in all of the portfolios, including the mutual fund only portfolio, in the event contingent sellout, or in the event that we're going to do a C-WOW. A C-WOW means we're going to sell out and wait a week, okay? We're going to call this a C-WOW. The stance is that on today's market, there's just too many things going on for us to be confident about how we're investing for the rest of this week. And for the rest of the year, there's too many correlations that aren't working that I'm just about to tell you about. So if the S&P is down tomorrow or we have a mixed market tomorrow, we're going to sell out of all of our portfolios. We're going to wait a week. We have to accept the fact that the market is in full fear mode right now. No decisions are going to be made with the market in fear mode. And I hate to have my Bulls stuck at the mercy of an emotional or rational market. So I had to make this. I had to send it. I got to tell you what's going on. If I was managing a professional portfolio, I would be selling out tomorrow as well. Look at these indices. This doesn't make any sense. We have the 10-year Treasury dropping from 1.91 last week to 1.6 today. A 30% drop, 25% drop in the 10-year Treasury should mean that it's risk on for equities. Crypto is taking a huge crap today. And then we also have the big fear of Russia. I think right now, most people are concerned about the market rotating to value. If it does, we'll be on that. We'll make this money back. Secondarily, if rates continue to drop even lower, that just means that in the future, when the Fed rolls out its plans to taper, that when rates go back up, we'll be able to ride the banks because they've softened in price. So that's kind of the theory. Let's look at the market map. NVIDIA, that's a holding of the ever bullish portfolio. AMD, also a holding of the ever bullish portfolio. Auto manufacturers, Disney, Facebook, Google, Amazon, everything's taking a rout today. Just looking at the chart, I don't have to tell you, MarketWatch doesn't think that it's crashing. If MarketWatch knew what the truth was and what was really going on, we wouldn't have to follow my newsletter to beat the market. And an interesting thought here, you can see the time I take these. That's why I really love being able to run this blog, is that we could see earlier, just less than 20 minutes from me making this video, the worst performing stocks of the S&P are down as much as 42%, including Netflix, Moderna, NVIDIA, Tesla. This is ugly, guys. Sometimes we don't have to take swings. It's unfortunate that we just did a portfolio buy-in last week, 2 weeks ago. But rather than trying to hope the market does something, I want to be on the offensive, and that's why we're going to sell out tomorrow if the S&P is down or if it's mixed. Unless everything is up tomorrow, we're going to sell out. And I don't mind you using market orders. I'm probably going to use market orders. So remember, the market usually bottoms on Tuesdays. That's why we're not doing it today. After the last week, equities getting crushed, even while the Treasury dropped. Things are looking shaky without there being a bump today. That's my rationale. I had full expectations of a positive day today and tomorrow. If we see a down day tomorrow or a mixed day at the open, the plan is to get out and wait a week. That's C-WOW, right? So the superior stock picking that we have will continue to allow us to jump back into the market when it's ready to go, but we need to see where the ship is pouring moves. So contingent sellout, the bright spots in the market, always end on a positive, always be bullish. Softening in bank prices will give us higher than market returns if the Fed can stay on track with the timetable. Oil stocks are already climbing out with Russian hostilities rising. This could be our bounce back sector. So remember that that's there. And then we have crypto. This sell-off in crypto is providing juicier and juicier entry points. And then remember, we always have consumer staples. We always have the heavy dividend payers to go to in the event that we get a market return. So I'm going to finish making this. You guys go to work. You guys enjoy your life. I'm here working for you. Chase at Ever Bullish, the Stock Sherpa on YouTube, the 7th ranked Substack in the entire world on the topic of trading. Thank you, Bulls. We're going to get through this. AFG, LFG, LGR. Let's get this.